Once upon a time, in a cozy neighborhood with white fences and green lawns, lived a boy named Noah. Noah was 7 years old, and he had a very big dream. In the window of the local toy shop, there was a shiny blue rocket. It had silver wings, flashing red lights, and a button that made a real blast-off sound. Every day after school, Noah would press his nose against the cool glass of the shop window. "I want that rocket more than anything," Noah whispered. One evening, Noah asked his dad, "Dad, can you buy me the blue rocket, please?" Dad knelt down and looked at Noah. "Noah, that rocket costs $50. That's a lot of money. How about we make a plan? If you help with chores around the house, I will give you a small allowance every week. You can save your money in a jar, and when you have enough, you can buy it yourself." Noah's eyes widened. "I can buy it myself? Deal." The next day, Noah started his mission. He didn't just play, he worked. He helped Mum pull weeds under the hot sun, rustling of leaves and birds chirping. He helped Dad wash the car, getting soap bubbles all over his shoes. He even matched all the colourful socks in the laundry basket. At the end of the week, Dad gave Noah $5. Noah put the bills into a clear glass jar. Clink! He added some shiny quarters too. He looked at the money. It looked like a small pile, but the rocket felt very far away. A few days later, the ice cream truck came down the street. All of Noah's friends ran to buy chocolate cones and sprinkles. "Hey, Noah, come get an ice cream," his friend Sam shouted. Noah looked at his glass jar. He really wanted a cold chocolate cone. He reached for his money, but then he thought about the shiny blue rocket. If he bought the ice cream today, he would have to wait even longer for his dream. Noah took a deep breath and shook his head. "Not today, Sam. I'm saving for something big." Weeks went by. Noah kept working. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he wanted to spend his money on small toys or candy. But every time he felt like giving up, he would go to the toy shop and look at the blue rocket. It was still there, waiting for him. One Saturday morning, Noah emptied his jar onto the kitchen table. He and his mum counted the money together. $1, 5, 10, 20, 40, and finally 50. "You did it, Noah!" Mum cheered. Noah's heart was racing. He took his heavy jar and ran all the way to the toy shop. He handed the money to the shopkeeper. For the first time, he didn't just touch the glass, he touched the rocket. It felt smooth, cool, and heavy. When Noah got home, he sat on the porch and pressed the blast-off button. Dad sat next to him. "How does it feel, Noah?" Noah looked at the rocket. "It feels amazing, Dad, but you know what? The rocket is great, but I think I like my glass jar even more. I learned that I can do hard things if I don't give up." Noah realized that the rocket wasn't just a toy, it was a trophy for his hard work. He learned that money doesn't just come from a machine, it comes from effort. And the best things in life are the ones you earn with your own 2 hands. That night, Noah put the blue rocket on his shelf, but he also put the empty glass jar back on his desk. He was already thinking about his next big dream, and he knew exactly how to reach it, one small chore at a time. The end.